When you get south of Flagstaff, you're on top of the plateau then, and you're at 7,000 feet. So then you're no longer high desert. Then you're up on the plateau. These brakes feel a little funny, you guys.
Yeah.
They're a little spongy. Hang on. We're getting there, guys. Hang on. Beanie, we're getting to the gulch. You guys will love it. And we're going to go down, and the rock formations down there are awesome. I can see it from here in the gulch. Now, the juniper tree, guys, the Indians, they used to eat the berry. They made tea out of it. They cooked with it. They took the seed out of the middle.
Yeah, it is the seed that he said that they could